How much bottles did you guys finish?
I still have 4 more in my fridge.
You have 4 more bottles of
yeah.
champagne? Well then, can I take one?
Sure.
Yeah! Let me tell you. You want me to tell you how I got home?
Yes. How did you manage to get on the bus?
So, girl.
Oh, wow.
But clearly, because see, the thing is for me, because we were sitting down the whole night.
Yeah.
The liquor didn't hit me until I actually got up.
Yeah.
Right. So although I felt
because when you were leaving, you were fine.
Yeah, when I was leaving, I was fine. And then I remember like I got up a few times to use the washroom there, and I'm like I felt it a little bit. I was like, okay, like let me stop now. But I was like, yo, it was a good night. That's what it is.
Well, you got home safe. That's what
right.
That's what matters.
That's what matters. What time did you leave?
I think I left at 11.
Okay. Yeah, so not much long after.
Yeah, at around 11, everybody was like they wanted to go out, and the security came up, and because the neighbor was like banging the wall and complaining it was noisy, and then at around 11 he was like telling people to go to leave to go to the club. So I think after I left, that's when everybody went to the club.
Which club did you guys go to, or which club did they go to? Rather?
I don't know. They went somewhere downtown.
This is from Lip Gloss, you guys. So don't come for me. Looking at perfumes, so
I guess by the time we leave here, we won't have a sense of smell.
Yeah, we won't have a sense of smell at all. So for example, I'm looking at the Marc Jacob perfume, right? You guys, sorry, I'm looking at the Marc Jacob Decadent perfume, and retail price in Canada, retail at $140, but here it's $65.
It's a tester, and this is the original taste.
Yeah.
It makes me want to buy it because
it's $8. Yeah. But the thing is, because it's so perfumey in here, you don't want to go outside and then you're like, what the hell did I just buy? Right.
No return.
Do you like that one though? Which one is that? The Still? By JLo? Sorry guys, we're still here. These is what these. $8 for 30 mils. I mean, I feel like if you know what you want to buy, but if you're coming here with like no expectation, you'll just buy foolishness. You will. You honestly will. I'm just here looking for my Haute Couture Givenchy. That's really all that I'm looking for, and then I may check out some face masks and stuff like that, but aside from that, not really looking for much. Justin Bieber, Britney Spears. That's not bad for $12. Just want to show you guys, like for Versace, $129 regular price, and you're gonna get it here for $65. And they have like every Versace one known to mankind. I think Rita's gonna buy one, but I think, do you want this one? Then you have this one, which is good for gifts. You get everything. But which one are you gonna get?
Excuse me.
Versace. So we just got out of here. Can I turn this down? So we just got out of there. Let me show you what the fuck I got. Lots. I didn't get that much stuff though. For my father, I got him the Obsession Calvin Klein 100 ml Boo Boo thing. I don't even know what this is, but he told me he wanted it. It's called Curve. I got my all day, everyday ride or die, which is the Givenchy Haute Couture 100 ml. And then I got my also kind of like my everyday, which is Pink Sugar 100 ml. And then I just got like a throw-in purse. This was $150, Mariah Carey. They throw so much shade on her, and that's in that place. Her perfumers were like $20.
Yeah.
For like 100 ml, $20, easy. This shit doesn't even come with a cap.
Really?
It's only worth $1.50. What the hell is this?
Cap? That's it.
This ain't no fucking cap. What is this? $1.50 will get you this. But I got this just to like throw in my purse if like I'm going clubbing or something like that. You know, just throw in your purse so that if you smell kind of frowsy throughout the day, you can just kind of spruce up yourself. And then I just got pH Bonder for the nails. Do you want to show them what you got or no?
Not really.
Okay.
It's all the way in the back.
But anyways, girl, we were just talking about MAC and how MAC is pretty much like dying out
I could be wrong.
We both feel. Let me
Yeah.
see so we can get you in there. Hey! We were just saying how Mac is like a dying breed.
Yeah, I think it's the popularity has surely gone down from, I think maybe like 5 years ago.
Yeah.
It's not as popular anymore.
Not even close.
Because when, you know, every girl is into makeup to a certain degree. So when I was starting to learn about makeup, all you would see on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube vlogs was somebody reviewing a MAC product.
Right.
But these days, it's somebody reviewing other products, Fenty, Juvia's Place, you know, all these new brands. What's the other? The crayon?
Crayon case?
Yeah, crayon case. And it's good because all these black brands are coming up and people are really accepting them and buying them and supporting these black businesses. So it's a good thing. But I feel like MAC just, for some reason, just did not really get on the bus with in terms of social media marketing and influences. So
I think Mac just thought that they were going to be it for so long. And even when like Sephora hit Canada, I was like, my immediate thing was like, Sephora's gonna
Yeah.
tear down Mac.
Oh yeah.
Right? And instead of Mac trying to like conform with the flow, they try to hold off. And you're right, ain't nobody talking about Mac's limited editions anymore. Like
Yeah.
they're not hot, right?
Yeah.
Although that they did cater to dark skin tones because Mac was doing it before Fenty was. Like, and I feel like people forget that Mac was catering to darker skin tones. Not maybe the richest of the richest, but they were at least
But
doing
they were
it.
not pushing it.
But they need
A
a
marketing
rebranding.
genius
Yeah,
or
they need to
rebranding or
completely
something.
rebrand what they're doing in order to stay afloat.
Bye-bye.
Because I don't even know how they're doing now with their profit sharing. I don't even know. But if you got to put up a booth or be talking about putting up a booth in Sephora, you
Sephora.
ain't doing that great.
Yeah.
But mind you, there are high luxury brands that also do have booths in Sephora. But I guess it's different because they were already in Sephora,
Yeah.
where Mac was just trying to
was
hold its
their
own.
that
didn't
was
it?
their business model, that they didn't have like a storefront,
Right.
so they would just go to Sephora to sell their brands. But this is MAC. They had their own stores, their own products, and now they have to close down a couple of stores and then go into Sephora.
Right. Wow. They look dumb. There was so much shade. Look at us. See, we were so dark. Now look at us. Melanin infused, bitch. Get on it. Where are we going now? Are you going to feed me?
I was thinking about food, but I don't know anything about MAC.
Oh, but it all depends on like what you feel like eating. Or we can just go back in our neck of the woods and you can bring me to your house and give me that bottle of champagne. Where do you want to go? Okay. Because there's like restaurants there. So, whatever. All the best to you, Mac, honestly, at the end of the day, that what it comes down to. I don't wish any business like bankruptcy. I remember when Mariah Carey had her limited edition in Mac.
Yeah.
And I bought her highlighter, but I ended up returning it. But I bought her highlighter, I think, for like $60 or $65.
Wow.
Just for the highlighter. And then I returned it because I just realized how outrageous it was to spend that on a
Didn't
on a powder.
Rihanna do like a limited edition for MAC too?
Yes, she did.
Oh my god.
She did as
so
well.
she did the limited edition and then she went and opened up
Her own thing.
makeup.
But
brand.
mind you, it's not really her brand though, right? Like there's people behind her
Yeah.
that are doing it. But yeah, but you gotta go somewhere. Like if Mac came to me today and said, "Hey Tari, we want to do a limited edition with you," I'm gonna hop on it. Who
Yeah,
wouldn't hop
yeah,
on it? Especially if like you're not booming, even though Rihanna at that time was booming.
a hit, yeah.
But at least the collection with Mac helped her to get to Fenty. One way or another, it did help her.
Yeah.
But I don't wish any business bankruptcy or any type of thing, but I felt like Mac just tried to hold their own for too long and they were just charging outrageous prices
Yeah.
where it's like,
I don't think
it don't
the
make
prices
no
have changed
sense.
anyway right now.
I don't even know.
I don't think I have this eye lip pencil that I love.
Yeah.
So that's I had to go to the store to get it, and at first I'd even forgotten that it was a MAC. I thought
Right.
it was a Sephora brand, so I was in Sephora looking for it, and they're like, no, based on your history purchase, we don't see it here. So I was like, oh, it's a MAC.
It's a Mac thing.
Yeah.
The only good thing about Mac though is that they have their back to Mac. So you can get, like if you have like 6 products of Mac that are done, you can go and you can get like a free lipstick or a free lip gloss.
Oh really?
Yeah, that's the only thing. And I have some back to Mac products that I gotta do. So I might as well use the back to Mac to get some sort of benefit. But after I do that, I don't think I'm gonna buy from them anymore.
Yeah. Sucks to suck.
So they need to, Mac, if you're watching this, okay, you know.
Just what we've seen. We could be wrong. But
Yeah.
It's our
If I'm
opinion
wrong,
entirely.
leave it in the comment area. If I'm wrong, educate me.
Yeah.
I love to be educated. Educate me. But, you know, that's just my opinion. Leave your opinions down below. But